Yo, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, another day, another vlog. Yo, today my niece's birthday. Help me wish my niece, Ailey, Keela's sister, happy birthday. See a picture that's somewhere on the screen right there, so. And my niece, you see me? Chambers, you know? But today her birthday, she dey at school now, so I can't call her. You know, me have to give you an update for my everyday life. Right now, I just on bed no spread, bag pack. I got Canada. I got the airport. I go pick up Ricky, then go to the airport. So on the journey with me as I do it for the vlog. I'll probably make a couple stop, grab a couple white shirt, and then I'm out. But yeah, I'm not late. I mean, I miss the flight yet. Hopefully not. You see me? So now go on journey. I'm gonna try to get some white t-shirts. And then I'm out of the airport. Well, out for go pick up Ricky. No, I'm gonna take one large and one medium. Yeah. So, I just buy two white shirts. I'm gonna put on one right now because I'm in a van. I say Canada real cold right now. I left my jacket, you know. Because I say I can bear it cold. Jesus Christ. God help me. So vlog girl right now reach Ricky. Just pull over. So Ricky right this tonight. My baby right there. I got airport right now. I'm there on the phone so I can't even see. Alright, so when I turn on update when I get for the car already. I buy but there's something what I did last. So two white one are forward, you see me? For match the car. So two different nose hole are forward. That's what I call it, nose hole. Them have the correct name for it, but I call it nose hole. At airport, I feel go, you know. She sexy though. I'm not like you, I'm gonna miss you.
What's going in?
The people that miss you are
going. What are you doing?
Ricky. She look like a shoot you.
Oh, shoot up. Man, that. We they are going to Canada. You see me?
Yeah.
What you say, fam? We are fam.
We are going to Canada.
Canada, fam.
Yeah, man, let's go, fam.
Fam. We are
let's
going
go.
There, fam.
We're late already.
Fam, now.
Right now reach Canada and we wait for them to come get me. And I'm at thing, late in the night now, probably about 2 something right now, in the morning. Reach Canada late, but I'm officially here. Can't believe me there Canada, dog. Real shit, me there Canada. You know say me single?
Stop telling.
No, me single too. Me a date though, but me single for real.
Single.
No funny shit. Not because the camera turn on, me single for real.
Alright.
See me kinda look cute. Oh God, me not Canada! Alright, vlog girl. I meet one little friend. Me kinda like her, you know, we just stop to get some weed. She come back in her car. I like Canada already, she came to come get some tea, you know?
Yeah,
because it's cold, yeah.
Tim Hortons the best place.
Tomorrow we lit our idols.
You don't know?
So make sure you forward out.
Yes.
Wait, say me I dress up?
Of course. Matching.
Oh God, we like the girl over here. So you sure you're not a man?
No,
Or you just a lie to me?
No, everybody know.
So you're single?
Yeah, right now I'm single.
Alright.
Right now.
Me a date do you know?
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that.
Okay, cool.
Nothing wrong with that. Do it for the vlog, right?
Vlog world. So right now we reach our hotel. I'm about to go to my room. I'm gonna throw this out. I'm not left it in the car. Flight check, let me get my bag. Ew!
Take here.
Yeah, come? You not come show me room?
Come show the room?
Yeah, me don't know where me I go. Come show me room.
It says it right there.
No, park the car. Wait, let me take out my thing then park the car. And then come show me where room there. Wait, let me dash this. Hold on. Try to get her go upstairs. Make sure go park the car. Come on, she come upstairs. You try to make come. Yeah, find a parking. I wait for you right there.
Where's the elevator?
Ooh,
In your nice seat?
I'm in Canada. So, Canada, I'm here. That's nice of you for showing the room, you know?
I really know what may I show you, but
Yeah, the room. Yeah, I carry upstairs.
I really know what may I show you.
Remember, you know, if you take care of me, I have to carry upstairs. So you're sure you're single? You're sure you're single? Me just ask you again, you know. Me I try to make sure, you know.
Somewhat.
Oh, somewhat. You don't want nobody else.
Oh, just true with this. I was talking to somebody in Jamaica and we take a break. Like, I'm like, you know what, this is not for me. Someone recently, like, start myself. I'm like, you know, I'm gonna start. You know? Just start.
Me I can't be friend though. You know?
Trabass have a lot of fans, yeah?
No, my fans are man, no. Me and then go.
What up here?
Yeah, man.
Trabass have a lot of fans.
So if me have a lot of fans, that's nothing. That's
That is
nothing.
trouble.
I love my fans.
That's like trouble.
Trouble?
That's trouble?
So you think me a trouble?
Why? But well, welcome to your room.
Ooh, I like it. In here is nice. Why you like it?
So see,
Big bed. Where you like it? You like them? Oh, I love them. Oh,
Yeah.
you know, nice.
See your room here? See your bed? One look at a sock?
You know, I feel the bed.
One table.
It's nice, so
Firm. Ain't that right?
I like it.
Nice pillow. Can you look at work right this way?
Yeah, man, alright. This is me. I go edit this right now.
Yeah. We have a bathroom.
Show me bathroom there.
It's nice. A toilet. And towel.
My body now go on that though. Yeah, man, glass door. This me have on my yard, you know, glass door, you know. Good for have sex, you know.
Oh.
Ooh, yeah, set the mood. I like it.
It's alright. Get going.
Sure, man. I don't bite.
So what do you think of Canada so far?
I love it. I love it.
Nice.
You love Canada?
Of course, I lived here for 17 years.
Oh, the people them here friendly bad man, you know, I like.
Yeah. Somebody said, oh my god, is that Trabass?
Oh, on the video?
Yeah.
So true me have all the fans, what that say? I can't get no play with you?
We just
You come like you go around,
we
you
just
move
say,
when you
we
try.
just say, we just say. Sometimes I won't power that.
So you think me cute?
Yeah, you can pass.
Like from 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, like you have me blush, stop. How much you'd have vote me? To like
You can eat it in a half.
10, alright. Like that 10 there. Solid 10. You know, we have to know we are boy man.
So we can't even know, right?
I mean, you know, I believe still, you know, you can sleep. If you want a big bed, I saw cause they say TV, you know, cool.
We kind of like my bed.
Oh yeah, go.
Yes.
Alright.
You want me to keep one of the key then? Alright. Good night.
Okay.
You alright?
Little bit.
You sure?
No, I'm not sure.
I want to you.
I don't like sleep by myself, you know. Yo! So, yes, I want me to end the vlog. Hope you find that entertaining and like it. You see me? Mad up on yourself, we in Toronto right now. And thing. Stay tuned again for the daily vlog. And next vlog I drop tomorrow. We don't know what I go on tomorrow, but the next vlog I go drop. Canada, I'm here. And I'm at it. Go and stay tuned.
Father Depot.
Father.
Fully.
You catch it alive?
Outside alive.
Rich alive?
Bumbo class.
Me couldn't forget the night when me get in, I'm alive. Best pussy when me ever fall. God damn it, it's so tight.